Hi, and welcome to another video in the Malancam series. Today we're going to learn how to broadcast to Liveskies, which is Rock's new HTML5 broadcast site, but we're going to use OBS Studio. Now, we've already have a video on how to use SplitCam, and OBS is slightly different, but the concept is the same. The concept is we need to capture a part of your screen or the window that holds Malancam Sky, your video, and then also capture your audio from your microphone and send that using HTML5 up to Liveskies. So to kind of show you how it's working, I've got Edge working, and right now I'm going to check the channels, and you can see there are no channels working, and that's fine because I'm going to log into my World Observatory account and have OBS broadcast to this channel. So let me just minimize this. Now, before you broadcast, you want to make sure you've got Malancam Sky running and it's connected to your camera, and your camera's connected to your telescope, and you're ready to broadcast. You're not broadcasting while you're setting up. So let me just start Malancam Sky. Here we go. Now I don't have a camera connected, which is fine. There's no device, but as you can see, Malancam Sky is up and running. Now you should now go and log on to your channel. So I'm going to use Chrome here. There we go. And I'm going to go to Liveskies, and I'm going to log in to my channel. So there we go. And again, you can see there's no channels. Now normally I would be coming over here and just broadcasting, right? And that's how we'll do it if I'm broadcasting on I'll kind of show you. If I go to broadcast right now, it's trying to broadcast my video image here, but I'm going to stop that. It says it's stopped. Right? Now it doesn't matter what's over here, because when we start broadcasting using OBS, it will override what's taking place here. There we go. Now let's start OBS. Let me just kind of minimize this. So Malancam Sky is still running. So I'm going to start OBS. So you've downloaded and started OBS. And OBS is pretty smart because I've already used it. But what you need to do is you need to go to your source. And you need a video source and an audio source. And my audio source, you click here and you go to properties, and it says I'm using my my broadcast microphone, which is cool. And you can see that as I'm speaking, the green bar is moving back and forth. And I've gone and selected a window, and how that works is you click, you add a scene. Let me just go back because I've done it twice. You add a window, right? So if you go to add, it gives you all these options, right? And one of the choices is Windows capture, and what you want to do is you want to capture actually Malancam Sky, and it'll do it automatically. Now you can capture the display and all sorts of other stuff, but I just want to capture the window. So here's the window. It gives you a list over here of all the windows that are open, and of course I want to capture Malancam Sky. And as you can see, if I just kind of slide this thing over here, as I move up and down, you can see it displaying inside OBS. I know there's like a couple of windows here, but that's how OBS works. All right, so it just says, okay, you got yourself the window, so just say okay, it closes that. So here's the actual window again, where you can see it's running, right? So I can actually just minimize this if you don't mind. So this is OBS. There's the window, the video is being captured, there's the microphone being captured. Now how do we get this information to Liveskies? Now OBS uses a different technique than SplitCam. So what you need to do is go to settings, and inside settings you have all these options. So one of the options you should do is check video and just make sure you've got the highest broadcasting that your system can handle. I'm using 1920 times 1080. Perfect. Oh, make sure it stayed up there. But what we need to do is stream. So we hit stream, and in stream you have all these different choices how you would like to stream, and you can stream to YouTube and stuff like that. But we would like to do a custom stream, and in a custom stream, what you want to do is you need to give OBS two pieces of information so it can stream to Liveskies to your channel. You need to give them the server name, and it's a huge name, and a stream key. Now, where do you get this information? Well, this information is actually located on Liveskies. So go to your Liveskies channel, and over here you've got broadcast live and external encoders. All you have to do is hit external encoders. Now I don't want to do that here because you'll see all my passwords and stuff like that, but luckily I've kind of did a snapshot. So here we go. So it brings you a whole bunch of information. The first two pieces of information is all you need. So what you would do is you would copy. So you go to our RTMP address, which has all this other stuff, hit copy, and when you go to, after you do copy, go back to OBS and just paste that in your server name. Perfect. Then go back to Liveskies, get your stream name, hit copy, go back to OBS and paste it here. There we go. That's all you have to do. So it needs the server, which is a really big, long, convoluted process, plus your stream key password. And once you've done that, you're ready. Now, just to review, Minecraft has been captured by OBS. OBS knows where to send it. It just needs permission to do that. So just hit start streaming. So if you click start streaming, in a couple of seconds, you'll see, if everything's going right, you'll see a nice green box appear, and it gives you the throughput rate. So it's actually broadcasting this channel now to my World Observatory. So if I go to my Edge, and you can see now World Observatory is on there, and if I click on that, in a second, there we are. I've got the channel up and running. Now I haven't logged in, so if you log in, you can now log in to chat. But the channel is up and running. You can see the timer is going and stuff like that. So I can go to Mountain Sky, right? And I can start playing with Mountain Sky and just doing all sorts of cool stuff if I required. Now, just to let you know, there is about a 3 to 5 second delay between Mountain Sky. Let's say the broadcast from Mountain Sky to Liveskies. It's a lot faster using split cam. It's almost about 1 second to 2 seconds with split cam. But OBS has to do a lot more processing to get the information out there. But there we go, right? And the channel's there, and when the channel's running, you can use all those processes to chat and to increase the sizes as you need. Okay. When you're finished doing all your stuff, right, just go to OBS and just hit stop streaming. There we go. So the channel will now shut down. Or what will happen is over here, once it gets caught up, you'll notice that the timer will just stop. It says, okay, that's it. You can look at what has been done. You can't go back and review it. It just kind of stops, and then you would hopefully have told everybody that you've logged off. After you've done that, you can close OBS. You can shut down your Mountain Sky, and then you can shut down your all these channels open. Shut down all the windows. So hopefully this video is a bit useful. OBS is initially a bit more complicated, but once you set it up, all you have to do, and it's very quickly, is start OBS. It remembers what channel that you used. It remembers what window you like to capture, and you just hit start streaming, and it will start doing it right away. So once you've set it up, it's very fast. But the first time you use it, it's a bit more complicated because you have to pass along two pieces of information: the RTMP address and your stream key. So thank you for watching, and clear skies.